Hey, what's happening, everybody? I'm just coming home from work. Still got my shoes on, but I am very excited to be bringing you this one from my favorite creator, reviewer of the fragrances, Michelle Curly of Curly Fragrance. She made these bad boys recently. You've seen them. Elyon Dubai Himeros. Look at that. So this thing comes from Dubai, as you know. I am so excited to have this one in my collection. 40% oil, aged 35 months. Leather, oud, tobacco, and vetiver are the only notes that I'm able to find. They're not listed on the website. But that is, I gotta definitely agree, that is alpha male fragrance right there. Strong, powerful. You gotta have that deep, booming voice that vibrates the walls. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, gonna be rocking that. Says one spray will last 24 hours plus. We're gonna find out. So they also sent a sample of Aria, which is another one of theirs. As you know, or you may not know, this one is limited. Once the batch is gone, it's gone. It's not coming back. If it's fire, I'm gonna have to pull it out the pocket and buy it. I already want it. Well, there goes me paying rent. God, so smooth, so creamy, almost velvety. Oh my, that is absolutely gorgeous. That is yummy. That is edible, scrumptious. I'm hungry now, but I want to eat this. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful, guys. If you haven't heard of these, go check them out. Elyon Dubai. Um, there's a third one as well called Infinity. I really want to get my nose on that one. That one and Himeros are not limited runs. That is just a magnificent, bold, woody oud. The tobacco's in there. The vetiver gives it just a slight touch of freshness. Oh, man, that is so good. So powerful. Alpha male type shit right there. And this is, I would wear this. This is meant to be feminine. It does lean that way, but I can only imagine what the ladies' noses would think of this being on a man. Oh my God, guys, this is so good. Both of these are just absolute powerhouses. They're beautiful. Uh, go check them out. Forget to pay your power bill. Go pick them up. These are absolutely exquisite. They're aged 35 months, like I said. I mean, this is the highest quality. You're not getting anything really better than this, you know, as far as this type of fragrances. Oh, it's just so good, so beautiful, just so powerful and strong and beast. Oh, guys, listen to me, please. Go check these out. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just my honest opinion. Go pick them up. Get your face into these. If you don't like it, I'll buy it from you. All right? I'm going to holler at y'all.